Hi guys, I'm Grace V Makeup. I'm a makeup artist and I'm at Tatti Lashes HQ today to talk you through their Christmas gift guides. So the first Christmas gift set is the Festive Trio. It comes with 3 faux lashes and my faves are Cali Vibes. It's $18.95 and it's a perfect stocking filler. So the second set is a Tatti Trio. This is my fave. I'm currently wearing TL21. It's perfect for desk to dance floor. You can start with more natural and work your way up to glam. It's again $18.95 and it comes with 3 faux lashes. So the next 2 sets are Naughty But Nice and Festive Feels. They're both £25 and come with the 4 top selling styles. They also have a really cute mirror inside. And I'm obsessed with this packaging. It's perfect for on the go. Next up is the Ultimate Enhancing Lash Serum. It's $36.95, perfect for your Secret Santa gifts or your skincare lovers. It's clinically proven to add volume, length and curl to your lashes. So using this morning and night, you will see a massive difference in your lashes. Next up is the Tatti Lashes and PLT collab. This is £35 and comes with 6 lashes. So as you can see, there's a massive variation of lashes. My favourites with my clients are Hustler and Feeling Flirty. Next up is the Abby Roberts collab. This is everything you will need from start to finish, from your glue to your applicator, and everything inside here is completely recyclable and even the lashes are biodegradable. It's $36.95. And for all those friends you just don't know what to get for Christmas, Tatti Lashes also offer e-gift cards. They come in £30, £50 and £100 so they can spoil themselves in lashes. So everything I've mentioned is already available on tattilashes.com and I hope everyone has an amazing Christmas.